You guys, you gotta check out this house. This house is absolutely stunning in Castle Pines. All right, I have an open house here from 10 until 12 today, so you have to come out and take a look at this. Look. Okay, 3-car garage. Let's take a look at the inside, because this is gorgeous. Down. Okay, lots of directions that we can go. I love this. We have a guest room right here off the front. And look, it has its own bathroom. How awesome is that? Good sized room too. All right, we will come back to the basement. All right, we have nice coat closet there, powder, and a huge laundry. Look at this, it's huge. And garage access, gotta love that. Makes it nice and easy if you're coming in from hauling something, for example. Okay, now I can go off this way, but first, look at this layout. Oh my goodness, can't you just imagine yourself cooking up a feast at that island? Have all of your friends and family over, entertaining. Oh my goodness. It's an entertainer's heaven. Double oven. Always love that. Actually, I think that top one might be a microwave, not a double oven. But look at this huge pantry. We have a gas stove. I always love that. Let's see, is this a... It is, it's a microwave. But it looks like one of those microwaves that can double as an oven. Look at this. This is a chef's dream. Oh my goodness. And a nice little refrigerator for beverages. And we have a warmer drawer and a cooler drawer. Oh my goodness, I love that. Huge dining area. Look at the deck. Okay. It would be helpful if I unlocked the door before trying to go out, wouldn't it? Yes, it would. Look at the yard. Nice yard. Hot tub. All right, let's go back inside. That is the main level. So I'm gonna, well, no, it's not the main level. It keeps going. I forgot about the primary. How could I do that? All right. Primary suite awaits. Huge room. Love this. This bathroom is gorgeous, and you are going to love, love, love the shower. Look at that. Amazing. And then we have a huge walk-in over here. Oop, oop, oop. Huge walk-in. Okay. That's the main level. Let's take a look at the upstairs. That'll be a separate video.